Welcome to Digitize, the channel where creativity meets technology. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting to talk about: the brand new Huawei Mate X6. This isn't just another smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. Huawei has been pushing the boundaries of innovation for years, and the Mate X6 is no exception. From its stunning foldable design to its powerhouse performance, this device is here to redefine what we expect from a smartphone. So let's dive right in and explore everything this beast has to offer. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Huawei Mate X6 is a foldable smartphone, and it's absolutely breathtaking. When folded, it feels like a premium, compact device that fits comfortably in your hand. But when you unfold it, you're greeted with a massive tablet-like display that's perfect for multitasking, gaming, or binge-watching your favorite shows. The hinge mechanism is smooth and sturdy, giving you that satisfying feeling every time you open or close it. Huawei has clearly put a lot of thought into the durability of this device, and it shows. Now, let's talk about the display. The Mate X6 features a 7.8-inch foldable OLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is deep, and the brightness is more than enough for outdoor use. Whether you're scrolling through social media, editing photos, or watching movies, the display is an absolute joy to use. And thanks to the high refresh rate, everything feels buttery smooth. Oh, and did I mention the crease? It's barely noticeable. Huawei has made significant improvements in this area, and it's a huge win for foldable devices. Next up, let's talk about the cameras. Huawei has always been known for its impressive camera technology, and the Mate X6 is no exception. It features a quad-camera setup on the back, including a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8-megapixel macro lens. The results? Stunning. Whether you're shooting in daylight or low-light conditions, the Mate X6 delivers sharp, detailed, and well-balanced photos. The colors are true to life, and the dynamic range is impressive. And let's not forget about the selfie camera. With the foldable design, you can use the main cameras for selfies, which means your selfies will have the same quality as your regular photos. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about performance. The Huawei Mate X6 is powered by the latest Kirin 9000 chipset, which is an absolute powerhouse. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running demanding apps, this device handles everything with ease. I've been playing some graphically intensive games, and the experience has been flawless. The device doesn't overheat, and the frame rates are consistently high. Pair that with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, and you've got a device that's ready for anything you throw at it. Battery life is another area where the Mate X6 shines. It's equipped with a 4500 mAh battery, which might not sound huge, but thanks to Huawei's optimization, it easily lasts a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to recharge, the 66W fast charging is a game changer. You can go from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. That's incredibly convenient, especially when you're in a hurry. On the software side, the Mate X6 runs on HarmonyOS 3.0, Huawei's own operating system. If you're used to Android, the transition is pretty seamless. The interface is clean, intuitive, and packed with features. One of my favorite things about HarmonyOS is how well it handles multitasking on the foldable display. You can run multiple apps side by side, drag and drop files between them, and even create custom app pairs for quick access. It's a productivity powerhouse. So, what's the verdict? The Huawei Mate X6 is a game changer. It's a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, premium design, and top-notch performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional, or just someone who loves having the latest gadgets, the Mate X6 is worth every penny. Sure, it's not the most affordable device out there, but when you consider everything it offers, it's a solid investment. That's it for today's review of the Huawei Mate X6. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews like this one. And if you've already got your hands on the Mate X6, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.